This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. Happy holidays. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I was a revenue officer, a teaching instructor. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've done this a long time. I've been in private tax defense for 41 years. I am a national expert. I don't brag about myself. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. You'll see I've been on Fox, ABC, News Nation, Newsmax, all the major TV stations. What to look out for when a revenue officer or the case goes down to the local office. When you have a tax bill from IRS at some point in time, if it's a large dollar case, your case kind of comes down to the local office. It sits there in a queue, and then as inventory gets cleared out, the manager assigns it usually to a person, a revenue officer, depending on the dollar amount, a higher or lower grade revenue officer who has a lot of skill in working cases with that dollar amount. So I used to work high dollar cases at IRS. So what's going to happen when that case comes out? The revenue officer who's working your case has a bunch of tools at their disposal now, a lot of them now. When I left, it wasn't so much, but today they can pull up your tax returns. They can see what your adjusted gross income. What are they going to find out? They're going to find out LexisNexis. They're going to find about your education level. They're going to look at business. They're going to see if you've used your passport a lot, what businesses you've owned. IRS can do a lot of due diligence within 20 minutes before they even contact you. You're going to be shocked of what IRS knows. As a matter of fact, IRS sends out a 25B letter, and when that letter comes to you and they want that document request, that's only the beginning of what they want. After they get that round of stuff, they're going to send you another 725B letter, and then they're going to go into more detail after they discover what information they have when you turn that. They're going to want your bank account, your bank statements. They may ask for your credit card statements. IRS is going to do a thorough investigation. We know what they're going to do. We can prevent and stop a lot of that if you want to use this. I was a revenue officer, so I know what your best defense is. But IRS has all these tools. What I used to do, here's a couple slick moves. I'd find out what you purchased on your credit card. If I thought you had a fancy home, I'd go ahead and summons your insurance company, your homeowners, to see if there was riders. I'd want to find out if you had a safety deposit box. I'd want to see. That's my Sammy the Wonder Dog. I would want to find out not only if you had a safety deposit box, if you had one of these storage units. IRS can do all this stuff, and it doesn't take them long. I know what I'm doing. You need to hire me if you owe a lot of money. You should. I know everything that IRS is going to do and a revenue officer is going to do because I was one. Thank you for the subscription. I appreciate you.